Hey guys, we saw a ton of high quality Pixel 3 XL leaks for the past few days, far more than we would have expected at this time. It's not like Google can keep Pixel phones secret, but the sheer number and quality of the leaks were surprising. With nearly 2 months to go until the phone is unveiled, we know everything about it. We saw camera samples, we know wireless charging works, we saw live unboxing, we know its specs, and even we know its hands-on reviews. It turns out it's not Google trying to build the Pixel 3 hype just as the Note 9 is hitting stores, and before the 2018 iPhone models launch, the leaks and reviews come from people who had access to stolen Pixel 3 XL unit which were selling on the black market for as high as $2,000. All the new Pixel 3 XL leaks which we talked about in this video has one thing in common. Russian or Ukrainian bloggers were responsible for posting details about the unreleased hardware. 9to5Google has learned that it's actually a Ukrainian seller at fault who's been charging $2,000 per Pixel 3 XL unit. It's unclear where the Pixel units come from, but you'd have to get on Telegram to get in touch with the seller and order one. What's interesting about these devices is that Google can remotely deactivate them. We did see at least one set of pictures showing a Pixel 3 XL unit which was wiped remotely by Google, but that was well before the leaks from Ukraine came out. The only logical explanation for the Pixel 3 XL being sold months before its launch involves theft. Someone must have gotten their hands on a large batch of Pixel 3 XL units and then sold them on the black market. The report notes that all the recent leaks proved all the sources had access to the same type of Pixel, a white Pixel 3 XL. That suggests the model come from the same batch. In an update to the story, 9to5Google said that a source revealed that Google legal and security teams as well as Foxconn's team are involved in internal discussions about the leaks. What seems to be sure at this point is that Google's launch event will be utterly ruined. The Pixel 3 series will be the main star of the show, but it will have no surprises left as these early buyers will likely reveal everything about the phones well before that. This is Google's own iPhone 4 moment, but at a much bigger scale. Now let me know, are you guys buying this Pixel 3 XL which costs $2,000, or you'll wait for the official unveiling? Let me know in the comments down below, and please make sure to subscribe for more future content, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Then please give this video a huge thumbs up, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.